बेबी, सूप पीने के लिए है, खेलने के लिए नहीं। चलो जल्दी खत्म करो।
नो।
और फिर सूप तेजी से आना के मुंह की ओर बढ़ा।
It's time for another set of Grey Classic, only on 105.3 Classics.
पापू, पटकी क्या होता है?
संभल के पटकी खा जाओगी।
पटकी मतलब होता है जोर से नीचे गिरा देना। पटकी जैसे वर्ड्स हिंदी भाषा के जेम्स हैं, इन्हें अपनी वोकैबुलरी में संभाल के रखना। स्वीटी, जल्दी से सूप फिनिश करो, मैं डिनर लेके आता हूँ।
हाँ। Mama.
Hey Anna baby, how are you doing today?
Hi.
I'm missing you baby.
Missing you too, Mama.
अभी मेरी क्लास खत्म हुई है, बस जल्दी से फ्लाई करके बेबी के पास आ रही हूँ।
शेफ सैम लेकर आ रहे हैं गर्मा गर्म खाना।
वेलकम बैक होम लव।
Who gave you permission to look that good today?
पाइपिंग हॉट खाना तैयार है, खा लो।
नहीं, वाइन ही चलेगी आज।
वीकडे पे वाइन?
अगर तुम प्यार से पिलाओ ना डार्लिंग, तो वीकडेज भी वीकेंड बन जाएंगे।
सब ठीक तो है ना डॉक्टर हीर?
हमने आज लव हार्मोन्स पे चैप्टर शुरू किया है क्लास में।
तभी तुम्हारा मूड इतना रोमांटिक है आज।
You look absolutely stunning tonight, sweetheart.
डिनर खत्म कर लें, फिर तुम्हारे हार्मोन से डील करते हैं।
#9 Love and laughter. At home, Anna sat comfortably in her high chair, savoring the warmth of the steaming soup. Beside her, Sam was enjoying his own bowl at the dining table. The ambience was cozy and filled with a gentle clatter of spoons against bowls. Anna, with lisp in her voice, asked,
Papu, what does petki mean?
Petki, a Hindi word Sam had uttered in the tense final moments of the match. Right before Rajveer shoved era, Sam smiled warmly at his inquisitive daughter, enjoying these moments of curiosity.
Petki means to fall down. It's like someone hitting the ground, tasting dust, or being utterly defeated. These words are gems of the Hindi language. Keep them in your memory. They come in handy in day-to-day conversation in our country.
Sam got up from his chair, ready to serve the next course.
Hurry up and finish your soup. I'll bring the main course.
As Sam walked towards the kitchen, his phone, lying on the dining table, began to ring. The name here flashed on the screen. Without hesitation, Anna picked it up and put it on speaker. Excited and with a lisp in her voice, Anna exclaimed.
Mama.
Hira's voice filtered through the phone speaker.
Anna baby, how are you?
Hira sounded equally excited.
I am good. Thank you. How are you? Mama.
Anna replied.
Missing you baby.
Hira responded. Anna lisped.
Then come home. Fast. The missing will go away.
My class just ended. I'm on my way. Tell me, how was your day?
Hira asked. Anna replied in Hindi.
Mama, आपको पता है आज पापू का चश्मा पटकी खा के ध्वस्त हो गया। Mama, did you know? Today Dad's glasses fell down and got totally destroyed.
Here, driving her car and on hands-free, reacted with a mix of shock and amusement.
What did you say? Fell down and got destroyed. How come today you are talking in the local vernacular? You sound just like your father.
Here burst into laughter, astounded by the charming mimicry from such a young voice. At that very moment, Sam returned with the food plates. Here, still in conversation with Anna, said,
I must say your dad has a weird sense of humor.
They both laughed. Sam, overhearing the conversation, jumped right in.
Didn't I say I'll make her a Hindi scholar and you can make her an English expert? Let's see who wins.
Sure, the game is on.
He responded. In the middle of all this, the doorbell rung, and Sam went to open it. To his surprise and delight, it was here standing there, still on the call with them.
Surprise!
He exclaimed, referring to her unexpected arrival. Anna jumped out of her chair and hugged Here tightly. Sam and Here also embraced and kissed, sharing a moment of genuine affection. Together, they were a happy family. Sam offered Here to join them for dinner, but Here had other plans. Here sounded flirtatious.
No, I'd prefer wine today.
Out of the blue, Here's desire to have wine surprised Sam.
Wine on a weekday?
Here, with a flirtatious tone, remarked,
If you serve it with love, darling, weekdays can also become weekends.
This left Sam both flattered and blushing as he commented,
Looks like you are in a very mischievous mood today. What happened, Doctor here? Are you okay?
Here took a deep breath and replied.
We started the chapter on love hormones in class today.
Sam, with a teasing smirk, said.
No wonder you are in such a romantic mood.
Here leaned in close, her voice dropping to a whisper.
You look absolutely stunning tonight.
She said with a naughty twinkle in her eyes. Sam could not help but laugh.
Let me finish dinner, then I will deal with your hormonal surge.
Both Here and Sam burst into peals of laughter, the sound of their joy filling the air.